Okay, so let's unbox what is inside the beta MLSA swag kit of Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Community. Okay, so I can see at first I have my certificate. Okay, let's keep it aside. And then what's this? Okay, it will open like this. I guess it will be a Rubik cube. And yes, it is Microsoft sponsored Rubik cube. Let's keep it aside as well. Oh, okay, here we have a stainless steel water bottle. Let's open this. Oh, it's pretty cool. We have a logo of Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and we have a logo of Microsoft as well. A nice water bottle for daily use. Okay, let's keep it aside. We have some bands here. Another band, pink, red and blue. What's written on this? MSFT Student Ambassador. Okay, let's side this. Okay, we have a stress buster ball here. Nice. Let's keep it side as well. So what we have next? Okay, here we have a ID card through which we can attend any of the Microsoft events. It's a very nice ID card, I guess. Okay, so here I can see, oh, why for this, man? We have Microsoft socks. I don't know why they give this, but yeah, it's cool. This is something I will not wear. And next we have a tee. Nice t-shirt. It might be written "Be the force for good." Okay, let's side this. And we have some, these are sticky notes, I guess. Okay, then what else we have? Okay, we have some stickers. These are pretty cool stickers. Put on a refrigerator or laptop. Pretty nice. Azure stickers. Anything else? No, I guess that's all. So this is all that we have from Microsoft. Thank you, Microsoft, for these amazing swags.